Hey guys, it's Tim back with another video for you, and in this video we're going to be talking about songs which use, or pieces of music with ascending bass lines. So bass lines in the left hand move this direction. And I thought this would be good as a reference if you're doing an assignment or project, or if a teacher wants to demonstrate something about ascending movement, or if you want to do some improvising, whatever it is, thought this would be useful. However, I need your help because I can only find two easy, clean examples of ascending bassline uses. As you remember from my last video, we'll put a link to it somewhere, there's heaps of pieces that use descending basslines. It's one of the most popular compositional techniques. Ascending, harder. Can you help me out? If you know of any other ones, other than the two that I'm going to play now, let me know in the comments below. So, the first one is a piece by Hans Zimmer. It's from Gladiator, and it's called Now We Are Free. And if you know the theme, it'll probably come back to you even if you're not familiar by name, but this is how it sounds. Left hand, we're just walking up an A major octave. He stays there for the next one, and then goes all the way up. It's literally an A major octave all the way up. Couldn't be more perfect. I'll play the part, which you might be familiar with as well. Super beautiful progression because it really just has this uplift. I guess the ascension of the bass line gives this kind of uplifting feeling, and also some of those slash chords with the this kind of first inversion movement really gives a real uplift to the sound. So that's my piece number one. My second and only other one, maybe I'm going crazy here, but I just don't think this is nearly as popular a compositional technique as descending bass lines, is I'm going to Wash That Man Right Out of My Hair by Richard Rodgers from like ages ago, Oscars and Hammerstein. And it goes like this, we all know. And the left hand is in F. And does that for, well, some of the song, most of the song. So there you go. I need your help. What are the other songs with ascending bass lines in it? Let me know. Put a note in the comments. And by the way, we don't want just kind of, I'm not talking about just walking bass lines in a jazz movement. I'm talking about ones that are integral to the chord progression. I'd love to know. So leave a comment below, click the subscribe button. Can't wait to see you next time. Ciao.